In the last video we learned about MongoDB is and why it's a game changer in the NoSQL world. Today we are getting hands on with the basics how data is structured in MongoDB. So today's topics are first MongoDB structure, second installing and connecting to MongoDB, third is MongoDB shell commands. First is MongoDB structure. This database is like a folder that holds related collections. Now, collection is similar to a table in SQL but holds documents. Document JSON like object, flexible and schemaless. Now, here is the example. In the curly braces, name is Alice, email is alice@example.com, and age is 28. Our next step is installing and connecting to MongoDB. So for installing MongoDB, we have to write this MongoDB on the Google and click on this first link and then go to products and click on Compass. We have to scroll down and click on download now. I am having Windows, so and also this 64-bit system, so I am clicking on download now, and in my system it is already installed. You guys can install by clicking on this download button. So this is my MongoDB. Let me create a new connection and name it as test. Now this is a localhost URL. We just have to click on save and connect, and I am now connected to test. So now I am opening this MongoDB shell. We will now try some commands which are basics like this show DBs. It will show all the databases present in this. Next. Oh, there is a typo mistake. Show DBs. Is now showing all the DBs like admin, automation, common, config, local, and storage. Now if I change to any of this database, we will use this use, and here we can write the name of database like use Agni Home Automation. Now I am now switched to Agni Home Automation. These are some more commands like show DBs we are also used, and also this use my DB is also to switch or create database. Now we will try show collections. Show collections. Now this is showing all the collections like banks, branches, commands, contents, devices, features, master, notification, etc. Now we will try this command to insert a new document. db dot collection dot insert one, and this parentheses and then curly braces. After clicking on the enter button, I got this pop-up like acknowledge to, and the inserted object ID is this. So now we'll try this db.collection.find command to view documents. db.collection.find and then this is showing that here is a one document. Now that you understand the structure, next we will dive into how to actually create, read, update and delete documents, CRUD operations in MongoDB. These contacts detail. And thank you guys. Thank you for your attention.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.